Hey guys, this is Alicia Phones. We are the new Motorola launch, and this is Rishabh giving us a demo of the new Moto X.
Hello. Okay, so this is the new Moto X. It has a curved body which fits perfectly in your hand for a good one-hand use. Then, if you see here, there's a metal frame around the whole body, which gives it a premium look and feel. It sports a 5.2-inch display with a 1080p full HD display. And apart from the pure style, like there are other elements to support the stylish part of it. Like it comes in the regular black color. It comes with a bamboo with a white front housing, and then there is a leather variant as well. Now, when it comes to performance, it is again packed with powerful specifications. It runs on a pure Android 4.4.4 experience. Apart from that, it has a quad-core Snapdragon 801 processor. Okay, it has a 13-megapixel camera with a dual ring flash in this to support a better picture quality. Now, apart from that, to make the user experiences more convenient and to let the users get the choice to personalize the device even more, we have some new assistive features in the new Moto X. For example, there's a Moto app, there's Moto Assist, there are Moto Voice, Moto Actions, and Moto Display. Now let me briefly tell you about Moto Assist. So basically, depending upon the settings that you have made to the phone, there are different modes in which there are different actions that can be triggered in the new Moto X. For example, in the sleeping mode, you can ask your phone to silence during a particular duration, and then there are some exceptions that you can define. For example, you can still receive the calls if a starred contact or if a favorite contact calls you, or if somebody calls you twice in an emergency. So like that, you have some flexibility along with the convenience of your own. Then there's a driving mode in which there are capabilities like the caller name or the text messages will be read out to you automatically, and you don't have to worry about reaching out to the phone. You just have to focus on your driving. Okay. Then there is a home and meeting mode. So basically, depending on the location, depending on whether you are in a meeting or not, it will react to your own liking. Then okay. Then there is Moto Voice. Now, a new feature in this Moto Voice is that you can use a custom launch phrase. You don't have to use a particular launch phrase all the time on all the phones. So, for example, this device will respond if I say, "Okay, Moto X." So, if I say, "Here it is." So, the launch phrase is custom, and then you can give it commands like, "Okay, Moto X." "Okay, Moto X." "Take a selfie." So, it will switch on the front camera. And here's a selfie. So like that, there are various set of commands that you can try on this. Okay. Apart from that, there are some other smart features like there's Moto Display. So Moto Display will actually give you notifications in advance without you having to press any button to look what you have received or not. So for example, just to give you a demo, so I'll create some notifications. And if you see here, now I haven't even touched my phone, but when I reach out to it, it shows me that I've got an email message, I've got a text message, and then I've got a calendar appointment.